Weasel versus stoat, ermine, versus mink, versus ferret, versus otter. What are the differences? Tiger Brothers created. All 5 animals belong to the same family, called mustelids, which means they share long bodies, short legs, sharp teeth, and a curious, energetic personality. Even though they are related, they have adapted to very different lifestyles on land and in water. The weasel is the smallest member of this group, with a slim body that helps it squeeze into tiny holes while hunting mice. Its small size makes it fast and flexible, but also means it must eat very often to survive. The stoat, also called the ermine, looks very similar to a weasel, but is slightly bigger and has a longer tail with a black tip. Fun fact, in cold winters, many stoats turn completely white to blend in with snow. Minks are stronger and heavier than weasels and stoats, and they are excellent swimmers that spend a lot of time near rivers and lakes. Their thick fur keeps them warm in cold water while they hunt fish and frogs. Ferrets are closely related to wild polecats and have been domesticated by humans for hundreds of years. They are playful, curious, and often live with people instead of in the wild. Otters are the largest animals in this group and are specially adapted for life in water. Their strong tails and webbed feet help them swim quickly and smoothly. When comparing size, the weasel is the smallest, followed by the stoat, then the mink and ferret, while the otter is much bigger than all the others. In a size contest, the otter clearly wins because of its longer body and heavier weight. On land, weasels and stoats are incredibly quick and agile, able to chase prey through narrow tunnels. For land speed and flexibility, the weasel and stoat are the top winners. In the water, minks and otters are much better swimmers than the other mustelids. Between them, the otter wins because it can swim farther, dive deeper, and stay in water longer. All 5 animals are skilled hunters with sharp teeth, but they hunt different kinds of food. Small prey favors weasels and stoats, while fish and larger prey favor minks and otters. Ferrets are less competitive hunters in the wild because they rely on humans for food and safety. Fun fact, ferrets can sleep up to 18 hours a day when they feel safe and comfortable. Otters are famous for their intelligence and problem-solving skills. Fun fact, some otters use rocks as tools to crack open shells. Each animal is perfectly suited to its own habitat, whether it is dry land, snowy fields, rivers, or human homes. There is no single best animal, only the best one for each environment. Battle summary. The weasel and stoat win for land speed, the mink wins for mixed land and water hunting, and the otter wins for swimming and strength. Ferrets win at being friendly companions to humans. So who would win? It depends on where they live and what they need to do. Learning about differences helps us understand how amazing and diverse animals can be.